Top of the top. The world has changed as we know it. Food chain. We are the ones now, the chosen ones. We spread love when they hate. Few will be chosen. We are the light and we are the selected ones.
New me, I just take it how it's coming. I'm chillin', niggas really thinking that I'm stuntin'. All my niggas out here running labels. We bout to murk them all like Cain did Abel, cuz
we be number one, we be number one, we be number one. We the best in the business. We be number one, we be number one, we be number one. We the best in the business.
New year, I just take it how it's coming. New girls, new bottles, hell yeah, keep them coming. I'm so on, man, they can't tell me nothing. I scoop your girl and tell that hoe, show me something. She get naked if I say so. We getting money, we be focused on the pesos. Fire first the squad, we going in like we Kano. Hot fire, melt your ass like volcanoes.
I feel like my shots this time is not as good as last time. My shots was hitting. I'm about to start hitting right now. Right now. I just got in the other your ball.
You put all my balls in before.
Something's off. Something's definitely wrong. Now I'm back on. That's how it is. I can switch it back on whenever I feel like it. I control it. This is my game. I hope nobody can tell me what to do with the game. I make the rules and regulations. I turn the game off when I want, turn it back on. I do what I want. I'm always the winner. I'm a winner all the time. There's no way that you could come against me. There's no way that you could beat me. It's not rigged. It's just, I'm simply the fucking best. Simply the fucking best. The greatest of all fucking time, like Muhammad Ali. You heard? All of the greats, man. Everybody, anything that was great, that was like a piece of me. Anybody that you could think of right now, put somebody great in the comments. Somebody great. Pull all your greatest, the greatest people that you think in the world. Who's the greatest person? Who's the greatest artist? Who's the greatest, president? Who's the greatest singer? Who's the greatest dancer? Who's the greatest boxer? Who's the greatest God? Who's the greatest God?
You finished?
Yeah, I'm finished. I was about the ATHUGBRS game that's coming out right now. You have to be like a mastermind winner, you have to be able to think steps ahead. It's almost similar to chess in life, you know what I'm saying? You can't just think about the first move. What just happened right now is I hit the ball into the corner pocket, set myself up for the next play. At this play, I'm gonna set myself up for the next play. So that's where I just take over the whole game. The other player doesn't even have a chance to win. They don't even have a chance to even play. The game is dominant. It's called dominate. To dominate the game. Some of you are thinking, what game is this? Some of you are thinking that I'm talking about pool. Some of you are actually getting it. The ones that get it, leave it in the comments. What am I talking to? What am I referring to? The ones that think it's pool, tell me about that too. I can say I love Mexico so far.